lami ngingu-Prince Valley, ngiku-Inside Mbombela Positive Podcast. So njengoba ubona kunami la, lokusho ukuthi khona li-guest lenginalo. Angifuni ukuthi ugese ukuthi ngibani leli guest, but le link lela itokutshela. So ngena inside le link then utobona leli guest enginalo. Danko.
Siyabonga ngomsebenzi omuhle lenisendela wona la Mbombela, nesibonga nalokuthi nisihloniphe ukuthi nibuye nikhulume nathi la.
Prince Valley, thanks for the warm welcome and thanks for hosting us. And I am inviting you now to return the favor. Come join us in studio. We've got plenty to talk about, me and you.
Manje njalo songifeke egibeni ngikhumbula lo ukuthi bavumile, angeke ngisakhona ngidoconfirma ngidoda ngoba uma ngeke
We're doing it this year.
Yeah.
We are doing it this year.
Yeah.
You've got 350 days.
I know.
I'm leaving it all to you.
No, it's gonna be done. I think next month. Sitobe sesishayile. Ngiyabonga.
Bye, man.
Welcome to this exciting episode of Inside Mbombela. I'm still your host, Leo Gant. On this week's episode, we've got a friend of the podcast. This bastard has been following us. You know, he's a friend. You know, like one of those people that I feel like I've known for years because in technology, Vele introduced us, and Vele we've stayed in contact ever since. Vele he interviewed me on his radio show. Anyway, I'm gonna stop spilling the beans.
Yeah.
Meshom,
Yes, sir.
welcome to Inside Mbombela. Finally.
Hey, good name.
Finally.
No, I'm happy. Finally, now I'm inside Mbombela.
Yeah. So you left Barberton to come inside
Mbombela. Yeah. With a positive mindset. That's why I'm that positive podcast. Yeah. So
dude, like honestly, you know, I feel like that 5-year-old, I'm with your teacher for the first time out of school.
Yeah.
Like you don't know, your mind doesn't quite comprehend because in my mind, Barberton, that's you.
Yeah.
And now you are in our studio.
Yeah.
Long time coming.
Yeah.
Welcome, my guy. Welcome. Oh, guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've ever interviewed anybody with wearing the podcast.
Yeah.
So thank you, Mr. for actually just, honoring us, Valentin, and wearing the podcast. It's turning into a movement.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, anyway, I've got a few stories to share about that one. Mina, I know you by many names.
Yeah. Huh? Many.
Okay.
Oh, wash. I don't know even those names. Yeah, wash.
Okay.
Yeah.
To the uncultured,
Yeah.
it's normal Princeville.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the uncultured.
Mhm.
But to everybody else, it's Mr. Bomb City guy.
From City Sound. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Others, Mr. BCR FM.
Okay. Yeah. I'll
Okay.
take that.
Those are the only two that I can say on camera. I don't want to be sued.
Yeah. No, I can take that. Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, boy. Please introduce yourself to my people.
Yeah, igama lami ngingu-Prince Valley. Ngivela eBarberton. Since ungazuthi lo BCR vele lo Barberton so udvetile. So ngivela eBarberton election eMjindini. Ngila ngikhulele khona. I think konke lokhu kwende mina kuseBarberton noma ngabe mhlambe let's say bengibukela i-TV and stuff, but ku-inspire ngapha kule place leya. So yeah, everything seBarberton. Ngiphume just 1 year Barberton, but ngaka nje everything is Barberton.
Barberton, I think I knew about Barberton. I was about 10 years old.
Yeah.
There was a book called Jog of the Bushveld.
Yeah.
It's written by Fitzpatrick.
Yeah.
So I knew there is a place called Barberton. I was 10 years old, and now it's crazy to think that Mjindini is right here now. Just on the other side of Hilltop, that's where all the magic happens.
Yeah.
That is where your magic happens.
I love that. Would say that's all the magic happens. And personally, give me good business because if mangabe ngibuka okay ngidoyana ukuthi kwe podcast angathi ukuthi ndokhona kunotice iBarberton in terms of ngiku art kakhulu ne, in terms of ku music. I think the only successful kwaito group lenyathi kwaseMpumalanga is eBarberton or aseBarberton. Book challenge ngathi mina name any group lo yathi kwaito eMpumalanga. successfully aseBarberton angwazi lamanye yabona. So ngake ngathi mina personally if masinga remove iBarberton outside la Mpumalanga kuningi lekungasilahlekela ku creative space, ngaba ku music, ngaba ku radio, even ma podcast ngiyabona siya try kwenda la Mpumalanga, but mangakutshela ukuthi ma podcast la vame ukuphuma eBarberton or la Zamile money ngabi. So man angathi that's why ngithi ngiyajabula lokuthi wena mawuthi magic yendeka lapha.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
There's something in the water, Vele. That's why you sought and you want it back, but they're never
Yeah.
gonna get it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah.
So, Bafu, I'm guessing you have an actual name.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Pelele lapha, Prince Veli, serious.
What do you mean? So, is it Veli? It's a surname.
Okay. Because it's you. I'm not
Wow.
using the same surname, but I know you're gonna to understand that.
Yes.
Then Uma school something that I refer to surname lokuthi Tibong.
Yeah.
But if you will go back kumlando wethu mhlambe igama la someone lotuke lineage yakho. Uyangithola?
Yes.
Yeah, kuthi ngaba let's say ancestor because bafika lapho. Yeah, so yes, likhona leligama leli
Yeah.
lengikhule ngilisebenzisa nami. Leli ngithi Sibongo, but it's someone lo kuma ancestors am.
Okay, yeah, so it is your name.
Sibongo. Then Veli igama lami ukuthi okay vele lekufuna ngilisebenzise nyalo akusiki ukuthi okay ngichuzo sekufuna kuye sekufuna kuhlala njalo nyalo sekufuna kube Prince Veli. Yeah, because benga highlighter kuko but angeke ngene into deep. Lo Prince aka exist without Veli. Lo Prince uhambisana na Veli explanation yangala. So that's why igama nesibongo nyalo sami vele sengirola nga Prince Veli.
None, I think no. Ungiphendulile Bafu.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
100 absolutely percent. So, Bafu, I don't know, man. How did you fall in love with the radio?
Radio. Okay. Ngicela ukuthi media, but the question lengiba nayo ngiyafisa imedia ngabe bekumuntu ukuthi why yona ithanza mina, because I don't think ngayithanza lento le. It's something le young kids. Ngimtshele I don't know lesikhathi thank you guys lesikhathi ngifonela nithi ngitholele umsebenzi but we won. And I'm saying no mfethu this thing it's a calling and then ngiceda ukuyithola nyalo. So radio, we have a radio station ekhaya iBizarre FM njengoba usho ngale. Give me ijeni yami ngicala kuyithanza this year na last year. Mangisasemncane kokucala bekuneyemngane wami I think ka grade 2 bakhona kumrecorder eBCR athi angalali ngilalele iBCR yabo. So ekhaya bebanokungivisa ukuthi vana umngane wakho la wabo kwabangiloko. So some of my artists dengwa interview with I think ngim-interview ku Bomb City Sound bekungeskola mase esikolweni se primary bakhona go performer eBCR. So nginokutshela ngikhumbula ngitshela Clement ukuthi mina iBCR bengathi ukuthi iradio vele iBCR bengawathi lamanye ma radio station ukuthi ngalamanye ma frequency yabo. So sikhula yinto le khona ngalendlini. So ngikhule ngilalela angeke ngithi njengoba ngisho ukuthi angeke ngithi ngiyithanzile but bengingathi ukuthi mhlambe ngiphiwe ini because into lebengayithanze eradweni mina. I think ngilebe kufuna ngiyoyilungisa nyalo lebe ngicomplaina ngayo. So kufika kuyo ukuthi ngiyolalela iradio bekunalama trends njengoba akhona ukuthi kunabo Jika Majika kunabo Jam Early. So makufika iJika Majika bekufuna kucala itrend yokujayiva but ekhaya ngikhule kude ma system. So mina ngiye ku radio ukuthi ngifuna ingoma lento jayiva ngathi.
Yeah.
Yabo. Then mangifika emkhathini weliviki bengisengathi ukuthi kunenhlobo ema type radio station badlala music nani. During the week mabadlala music bangadlala ingoma yegospel. Sebadlala equiet ngani nayo abakwadi ukudlala music lapha. So angizange ayithanza lapho emkhathini weliviki radio because lethi ngoma bethingeke. Then mawuya weekends kunalaba mixa khona.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then ngawuthanza lapho the way ba mixa ngayo lo music ngaqala ukuthanza my weekend. But ku TV kunalento yalama chart lebengiyibukela ku TV. You understand? But ne background yami bengakhona uku-afford my choice. So lenza ngathi ami lebengiyibona lapha ku TV bengithi ngidodlala nazo. Mabenda lama chart nangala radioweni. ngakhona kwathola so ngilo music lo wabo DJ ne what is the thing nalama chart the new songs I think ngilapho la ngathi mina maybe ngathanza music ukuthi okay bengifuna music wokujayiva.
So you're right, Mauti. It extends way past just the radio. It's media.
Yeah.
You fell in love with me. It found you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So wait. With all the passion you have, clearly for media as a whole, what would you be doing if you were not in media? Like, tell me about the 10-year-old you. What did you want to be when you grow up?
Yeah, okay. Ngizokutshela lengabaye ngangabo. Ngingafuni kuba ngiphi. Ngabo. Lengibe nebhat nako even nalento yemedia le. Lo msebenzi ngiqale kuwenda ngisasemncane. Njengoba kube kusela ngithi ngi-interview with someone. Bengingadi ukuthi ngiyawenda lo msebenzi because kude lengibone afana nami. Mi kulandzela letinto leti esikolweni ngilandzele abantu bema-farewell nani. So bekuyindlela yoku-capture because even nalama magazines and stuff. But ngibuta nanyalo mina ukuthi okay ngi-understand njani ukuthi since ma-TV asejozi yini into lengente ukuthi ngifuna kuyosebenza i-BCR ngisasemncane because bengingadi ukuthi i-media kuhlangene. So besihleli nebantu abatsali sihleli emlilweni bebalalela i-radio bona ngikhumbula ngase ngimadumane lokuthi okay wasibuka lo munye uhlele emlilweni babuta ukuthi usibona njani sihlele emlilweni bengingakabanaki bangibuta ukuthi ufuna kwendani but abantu abadzala bayahlupha ngoba banokuthi bafuna abantwana babo babe yinini.
Dokotela mina.
Lo munye wakhuluma lapha uthi hayi mina lo ngasanga bali traffic bengingazi ukuthi ini traffic. Yabo ngithi okay unginike ngithi hayi traffic athi lo munye hayi but besengafika the style ase cold drink washo ukuthi hayi ngeke abe traffic ufuna ukuthatha imali uthathele abantu imali awubathi ufuna ichoice lo munye athi lawyer yabo ngithi ngifuna kuba yi-lawyer nami yabo sathi hayi ufuna kubophisa abantu but into ema-career angazi ngaba nayo even nalesikhathi ngiphuma isikole angizazi ngachoose ukuthi ngifuna kwendani ngicabanga ngichoose nakhona bekuyi-trend maybe ku-grade 11 ukuthi ngifuna kuba i-DJ nakhona i-DJ njengoba ngisho ukuthi bengilalela i-radio kimi bengifuna kuba i-resident DJ bengingathi ukuthi lama-resident DJ yad-promote but bekhona le bese ngikusaba already ngaphandle because bese ngibonile ukuthi ngaphandle kwendekani but bengifuna ucontribute eradioweni and ngafaka nalabo TV yakhumbula ngikhulume ngejika majika ukuthi na these guys bekunalaba DJ yako lapha ku DJ station nani so yeah mina vele it was media net dokunye mangithi ngikwendile ngiyacabanga maybe naku business ngisho ukuthi okay bengingafuna net ikuhlupha ngokuthi ngikwendile dile yabo ngoba ngikhumbula mangise primary. Okay, my first employer bekungumaki ngoba le investment leyo ngayithatha lapho so make bekashayisa ngo4 la kasebenza khona but mina bengikadza bhuti wami lomncane so sorry mama tobukela episode le bekaholela 10 rand ngenyanga yabo bekaholela 10 rand ngenyanga so that money kwaba na mem wathi ufuna ukuthi ngimthengisele ma snacks esikoleni but lama snacks lawo ufika ngokuthi athi ngibhuke ngithi ngithi imali mina ngengibhukena ngiwafuna lama snacks lawo yabona then athi hayi hamba uthengisa because awufuna ibhuka then angathi ukuthi mina ngase ngeke ngithengisele wena ngoba le mali yakho but ngengcondo ngase ngizokukhomba ukuthi ngibani then ngabuya nemali ngithenge ipacket lemasweet but unfortunately bebangavuma ukuthi siwathengise lapha esikolweni nakhona bekuyi primary ngihamba ngayo idla but later iphindze yabuya lento yekuthengisa and stuff because secondary ekhabe banaka ama-business abo okay singani magama but lapho kuthengisa ama-perfumes and stuff then mina nga-eda tinto tasendlini to clean ama-cleaning detergent nani ngithengisa ngiphinda ngathengisa futhi.
Wow. So I think if we are back to that thing, busy with a couple of projects.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. And then what most people fail to understand is that when you are busy with anything in life, you need to be good with sales.
Yeah.
Because you are selling one yourself.
Yeah.
You are selling a service, or you are selling a product, but it's all sales.
Yeah.
I mean, even Nokshela boy, that's sales.
Yeah.
that's sales, because angithi vele uhlangane na sweetheart umtshela ukuthi no, it's fine. This is how you benefit.
Yeah.
This is what you get. You know?
Yeah.
So more practice, boy.
Yeah,
You tengisa masweetie, Zimba and all of that.
Yeah.
You were practicing for what you're doing today.
Yeah.
Can I ask something? So you mentioned that you've spent your whole life at Barberton,
Yeah.
but only for 1 year.
Yeah.
Can you explain what was that 1 year? Why did you leave the city, the town?
The town. Okay, beku grade 12. Yeah, ngicala lapho njengoba yangibisele back. Bengide ukuthi ngifuna kuyokwendani after school nani bengekho interested. So into leyendeka ka grade 12. Kunemuntu okay stobiyela kuso le story se radio but ngicela kusikhathe emoyeni ngalokuphendula answer. Kunemuntu lengamithana naye edrobheni then sandlulela eBCR. So that was my final year ukuthi okay ngifuna ukungena eBCR bese yonatha manje wathi yena no asingene la BCR because siyasakada so lento besiyenda vele already emakhaya. Masifika lapha eBCR then yonke into leyendeke egcineni ngabuta ukuthi mina okay mangifuna ukusebenza la ngidowenda kanjani yabo. Ngangakhoni ngoba bekude imali ekhaya lapho bebasafuna ama demo I think lengaya kuyocala wangicharge 100 rand ngathi le mali eningi ngaya kulomnye wangicharge 150 so ngangakhoni ngene. So indzaba vele yoku-apply benganenzaba nayo nakubo ma-varsity and stuff. Ngikhamba abangani bami e-library kuvela i-flyer what is this i-prospect yabona. Bale ukuthi lapha ungastudisha i-radio and media. I think that was the first time ngibona igama lelithi media. Mina i-radio iyafunzelwa uyayibona. So lento leyo yangena ngaphasa grade 12 ngokuthi bengifuna ukuthola lama marks ongena. Vele angathi ukuthi mhlambe ngabe ngawuphasa onjani uyayibona. Then masabhizi lapho ngokuba available la ku December bengibhizi ngema piece shop and stuff. So angizange ngikhona go maybe go apply for imisebenzi or ngibuke ukuthi bangasebthile and stuff until March. Uthawu mangivuza enhloko bangani abekho abantu basemsebenzini.
Yeah.
Yabo.
It's very quiet, I can see around about that time.
Then utowendani okay yes mhlawumbe usebenzile na imali but awuna plan yabona. Ngiboreke nami awuthi ngisha ama CV but akusiyinto le beyikhona angifuni ukuyenga angiziphi abantu bangendi ma CV please do CVs hamba niyobuka umsebenzi yabo. Angizange ngawuthanda mfethu na isikhathi ngihamba ngena do ngicela imisebenzi and stuff akusiyinto le engayithanza leyo but bengindiswa ukuthi ngihleli inyanga you understand. Kude nemuntu wangifosta bazange bangifosta ekhaya ngile mali lengayenda mangena ama CV angizange ngawuthanda ngicabanga abantu batokwathi ngagcina lapho ukubuka umsebenzi empilweni yami till this day. So after lapho ngathola i-opportunity yema sales labantu abavulisa ama account la store. So bangithatha lapho then mabafika lapha bangipresentela i-idea yokuthi okay la senama sales but you can move from le place ohlala kuyo uye kuJozi as mina good short because bengifuna ukufunda bo Boston netinto temedia la ngido make sure ukuthi noma kwente kanjani ngidomove ngiyoze ngifika kubo Gauteng. So ngamuva eBarberton because bekala setatohlala la na sporty but bona ngema trips zabo basithatha saya eJozi. So lo 1 year beka between Nelspruit ne Gauteng but full time bengila Nelspruit.
So Baba, what gets you excited? What most people bacabanga ukuthi vele before siqala sikhuluma ukuthi vele it looks easy from the outside in.
Yeah.
When we are in media.
Yeah.
But then to keep on every day waking up and pushing through.
Yeah.
What pushes you through?
So I'm happy you put the question there because namanye ma challenges la bese I attack personally nokuthi ngiaccept yabo. Ngafanisa nalabantwana laba sebenzisa ama TikTok nemafoni yalo ukuthi bakhule bathi iphone and stuff. Mina ngikhule ngathi imedia nani. So every person engibona lapha is winning. Mina basithengisela lokho vele na ku radio. So nabantu ba around me ngibabona banjalo. Ngifuna wonke umuntu awine and stuff yabo. So even nalabantu laba selokishini mangibabona ba performa benamculo bengiva ngathi hey laba bangafika mani TV nale quality kumnandi nyalo futhi kulento yemapiano because even ne-quality le yendiwa abantu vele angeke usayilona. So ngijabuliswa ngokuthi bantu ngifuna babona bawine chief yabo, but net bengadi ukuthi behind the scene kunayo yonke lento because lapha even masoyokhipha lona le ngiyacabanga ukuthi base akehlisa sound ngeke kuvakale noma uyabona ngoba babhizi. So nami bengazi ukuthi okay kunale ama challenges behind the scene, bengibona yonke into sharp. So into le ngijabulisa ukuthi nami ngifuna ukubona wonke umuntu like a sharp and ngasikhathi nginalento ukuthi ngineshow ukuthi ngizokwenda, but the challenge ukuthi uyafuna ukubona uchapho wena yini ngoba ufuna ngimi ndo.
So before you actually walked into my one of the questions that I did have. Community outreach and upliftment, it's close to your heart.
Yeah.
How did you land there?
Okay, I think wonke umuntu ne uthumelwa ne-purpose yakhe emhlabeni. Mina angithandi into ngendlela ngayo personal empilweni yami, but ngoba nginokutshela yona ukuthi man mangabe kuNkulunkulu thina labanye abantu asifuni kufunza ngama-challenges. Uma ngitshela ukuthi lapha ungaze ufake isandla kuyashisa bese tokhona kufunza. So ngikhuliswe i-community mina chief, or ngasho ukuthi ngikhulele emgwaqweni nani. Some of my shows bengiwa-create lapha njenge-From Tuka is to leyo bengi-create nge-family ukuthi ngifuna ku-understanda mhlambe i-role yemndeni ngoba most isikhathi ngibe naso ngisichithe ngiba nesikhathi lesiningi ngimncane vele ukuthi ngiba nebangani bami nebantu be-community, and abantu be-community labadzala ngibo bebathi isimo sasekhaya yabo. Ngokubesela ngento lethi lula. Okay, lo mnyama ke bathi ngisebenzise ligama ukuthi is needy endlini because nginabo badala still nanyana. But kuthi ngiswele ngakanani I didn't know mfo yabo. So ngibona ngawo mawuthi ungi-approacha wena ufuneka usinike mhlambe kudla or ma t-shirt or anything lot ofuna uyinika mina, but ngasikhathi even nalaba zama ukungiphatha into ngiyacolisa bengi-rejecta bengingadi yabo. Angathi ngikutshela ukuthi mina ngibona le i-TV mfo, ngibona ukuthi kimi ngiyathi ukuthi ku-possible lokho ukuthi singakwenza, but bengingadi ukuthi mhlambe siswele ngakanani ekhaya. Then nanyalo even noma ngene kumidi bantu laba real mfethu lapha phila kimi i-community, because this thing angeke ngithi it doesn't pay yabo. Lenzawo lesikuyo especially mina ngiku-creative side isengayina kakhulu most media yangala igijima kuma-news, but uma ungabuta ukuthi ngiphila njani ngicabanga ngiphiliswa abantu basekhaya ne-community mfo yabo. Even one of the challenges kunetindo lengivikelwe i-community kudo mina yabo. So ngihlala khona ngikhuliswe ngibangani bami inspire, that's why ngithi ngi-inspire yabo ngelapha. So angeke ngithi ngiyibekela ngingiyo le community yabona. Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Veli.
Yeah.
So what makes you so comfortable in front of the mic and also in front of the camera?
Yeah.
Because most people, they either do one of the two, but when you go left and right.
Yeah. Ngokutshela iqiniso I think ngizothi i-revelation le yenzeke last year. Ngikonseye na kusicelo this thing is a calling. Angizange ngatibona mina kulento le. Angade ngithola ukuthi ngisho njani. Ngibona i-guest le bekufuna ngi-interview ngi-showcase emsebenzi wakhe. Kuthi mina ngendani angitiboni. Bengithola. Yeah, ngiyafana ke mhlambe ne-less or anyone lo sebenzayo ukuthi kufuna ende emsebenzi wakhe, but lo balekile mangabe ngidriver kubalekile abagibeli nani pheshe angizange ngatibona mina. So even mangibona lapha e-TV ba-introducer lama-artist kimi kubaluleke lama-artist yabo. Angikase vele ngatibuka mina ngithi angabaluleki senyakwathi but angikase ngatibona mina until kwenteke mhlambe le ngithi revelation. So kuyafanele ngisemsebenzini mina mfethu la net ngizama ngayo yonke indlela njengoba bengikuthi siye ngifuna ukuba free ukuthi make sure ukuthi mangishayisile emsebenzini ngiba out of this thing because ngiyathi ukuthi ithatha kakhulu kimi. So yeah, kusemsebenzini kuyafanele na great kimi ngihlale nje ukuthi okay ngisemsebenzini but bengingakase vele ngatibona mina ukuthi hey because you have the talent lekufuna ngikhulume ngalo. So uma ungekho wena ngizokhuluma ngani?
There's no show.
Yeah, yabo. It's everything. If you can mawabukela iPrince Valley Media ne.
We do.
Yeah, stobiyela ku episode ya Dio Grant. Ngitibutile ukuthi mina why labantu i-episode yakho bayithanza masinyane so isethe i-promotion. Then ngabona later ukuthi no. Kubantu ngiba invitele lapha kulelona labe nama podcast, you are the only people lengekho ku media. And masikhuluma naye asikakhulumi ngetinto te media, sikhuluma just ngetinto normal. Uyangithola? So lapha kimi bafuna lama conversation lawo bathanza lawo but ngasikhathi a challenging because itinto le ngowa truth ona anginenza ngawenda then abafuni le creativity. Then le challenge lapha kimi kulenza ba le creativity nema artists kuzi utothola ukuthi umntana la endlini la unema CD unema record angadlala maybe gospel angadlala lo mntwana uinspire ngento le ka ayidlalako lo mnomsala la endlini but kusasa lo mnomsala akafundi lo mntwana ayoba nginento le ya yabo. So that's the challenge. No angeke ngekele lokhu mina ngiyakwathi sisebenzile nawo ma artist life you noma kusengabi nemali kangako but khona labanye nje le mali abambe bayithatha ngala kuma competition bahamba bobeka singwa endlini and totally mali bakafuna invest ku music wakhe and stuff but ngoba wathi isimo sasendlini and makufika le mali abadla abantu abadzala ichiki bayathi usawukabamba inkunzi uyabona bayifuna but I think basaba basuke bathukela abantu aba. Yeah, that's the only thing that ngiyibona mina.
You know, a while back,
Yeah.
we asked you this question off camera, nje, just as talk,
Yeah.
as blacks do, and what's really like what happens when as Prince really get approached by an English medium radio station or a media outlet,
Yeah.
but before it's Funaway.
Yeah.
Do you remember uspendule what's in boy?
Yeah, I remember. Okay. Ngifuna ukuyiphendula le question ngilubiyela. Nginodwa lento le beni decide ukuthi le bebanthumile.
No.
Okay. You know why ngisho so? After you guys good age bantu bakulenzawo le. So that's why ngithi I appreciate.
Wow.
And mababukele nabo ngicela singa mention. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga. Ay. My brother, I think sengafiki isikhathi sokuthi ngisakade ngesingisi. I know ukuthi ekugcineni ingahle ifuna ngiphelele lapho. But sengafiki ngafuna mhlambe kube boma i-final show. But lokunye ahlukile lama platforms le school uyakhumbula sikhuluma ngenzaba ukuthi lamanye ama platform akudzinga ukuthi sibe controversial. So I love le radio station le benifisa ngekuyo nayo ukuthi bangi-approachile. Me the person lo lokhuluma e-radio nemoyeni angikhulumi to that audience or angikhulumi nani. Mhlambe maybe nge-passion ye-radio because ngini kuphela lening-approach ngokusakada akhona le bangibitele khona yabo. Mhlambe nge-passion ye-radio ngakwenda lokunye but kimi mangithi it's a calling kungithatha isikhathi ukunotice ukuthi every problem lengicomplaina ngayo ufuna ngiyoba i-solution yakhona yabo. So emoyeni angikhulumi na le audience leya because angitafi timo lebabukene natho nan. So mina it's empowering in education and educational. So ngala creative especially ku radio ku empower lama artists then educate ama listener but so empower so ilapho not the commercial side. The radio nangi good commercializer nami even bengingakayi ukuthi ngibuke e-radio ukuthi ngiyothola ama bookings and stuff. No.
It's a passion for you.
Yeah.
It's a calling.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's it.
But for how do you choose your guests on your show?
Sure.
Like, what's the criteria? How do you choose them?
Okay. Every platform la ngisebenza khona I think njengoba ngishilo ukuthi it was only for this year leng accept khona abantu labacela ama invitation. That's why it's when how to it. So ku-invite mina awuti-invite man awuti-invite. I understand ukuthi labanye bafuna ukuthi promoter or njani. Yes, sometimes for radio I accept mangabe kuyindzawo mangabe I mean yeah ufuna promoter i-craft yakho but I would invite ngisuke something for when ngisuke something for when because I remember my questions I know it's wrong for radio. I don't write questions, my brother. For me, I don't write questions. But ngisuke something for when yes, I can write questions for you. With let's say it's either noma ngiyacela or unless guest into belibitwe ngimi. Njenga yeah, that's why ngithe ngibona umuntu umsebenzi wakho. Ngiyathi ukuthi mhlambe let guest what mean I can write questions for you and stuff. But ngisuke something yakho ngaya ngala kulama artists especially le ngwa invite ku Bomb City Sound. Labanye labake baba invite babanika ama interview ngibona ngathi ababa celebrate enough. I'm happy kunalaba bathole i-best radio interview. Ngiyajabula ukuthi bacale ngalo BCR cala bakathi for me. Yeah, I'm happy for you guys. But akusim but ngibona ngathi i-artist bekangabungathwa ngendlela le kahle. Even na inspiration national not international. So angisisho ukuthi bengade ukuthi mhlambe ngiyini lento wabungata kahle onjani njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina bengingakathi buku mina but bengiva ngathi no baropa laba baropa nangemsebenzi wabo.
Damn.
Net akase kwaba kimi ukuthi I can do better or ngiyini lento wenda lo. Uyayithola?
No,
Yeah.
I'm with you. So, how do you choose your topics? Because now we're just like the people behind the mic.
Yeah. Topics it's challenges sometimes or into le ngifuna kutata.
Okay.
Yeah, mina ngikhule angeke background need a system lengibambile ngaphandle kwe system yesikole.
Okay.
Angathi uthi ngithola religious or what. Yes, we grew up in a Christian country. Sakuthola esikoleni but I learn from every religion and angasanza kufunza kuko but angeke ngitibhinde nale one.
Fair enough.
Yabo? So na kumasiko njalo. So mfo khona lo kimi because I'm getting these names uvele uthi nginame njani ngeBCR. Khona something lebengizama uku-apply ngitsho ukuthi isenda i-content ye-spirituality. I didn't know ukuthi bengine content ye-spirituality. I mean shothi yena wabukela le episode le but angase ngafunda isikole ngabona anything lehambisana ne-spirituality. Yabo?
Yeah, theology none.
Yabo, so ngiloko le ngifuna kwathi ngakwati ngicethe isikolo mfethu bengingathi izinto ye-media i-career nani nje ngimi nje lengathi ifunela kona bengingakwati ngikubona nje masicala u-grade 12 ukuthi kuyafunzelwa even nalento yabo filming nani sake sasi-actor abancane ngabona ku-newspaper ukuthi awu nemuntu ofunzele film eBarberton angikwati yabo. So mangikubita ngisuke ngifuna kwathi something so ngavela anything kuba yinto lengayathi unless u-creative space ukuthi okay ngifuna uku-celebrate or sengaba ukuthi okay ngidon bekusela nge-episode ya-Big Z because bephikisana la be-radio ngama-brand and stuff nani but ba-mention ukuthi okay Big Z good brand nani mina oh Big Z the brand okay but ku-first episode yami na Big Z vele bekakumentionile lokho lenza baye-brand nani okay I think we can have a topic singaba ne-conversation about the brand na Big Z then we did that.
Yeah, because he told us he did an episode with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, correct me. He did, yeah. Did yours. He did
Yeah,
ours.
net itsine siphute kuyi-drop. Ngicela ukunika i-credit le episode ya Big Z. Lo msebenzi enwendile. You know, ngim-interview le Big Z ku-first episode yethu. But ngale bekade kukhuluma nge-topic. So singakubita ukuthi vele sikubitele i-topic. Asanenzaba nawe uthi.
Yeah.
But uba nenhlanhla ukuthi okay sisuke sibe ne-interview yakho. So into lengiyithanzile ngasikhathi nginothi hey mangibona ama-podcast guest siyaliphinza ngiyobukela into leyi-one awona ngithashe lelinye side lengazange ngathasha kulo le labo Deeper Shades of House.
Yeah.
Angizange ngathasha kule side lela what's hip manikhuluma ngalento leya
Las Bernard.
what's hip chief because naphindze nathasha kukhuluma ngabo Vini and the way umcredit engayo yes noma sikhulume asikakhulumi ngokufana ngale party yase radio le party time nani
Yeah.
because kuwe uqhamuke uyilandzelisa ngala so inento lengijabulisa ngema podcast ethu la eMpumalanga uthi okay akafani awafani yes bengisaba ukubukela le episode le uthi you bayokhuluma ngani ku Fist and Dance uye deep uye deep and ubuka ugcine uyile vele khona ku Fist and Dance uyayibona so yeah because thina besingekho lapho kule promotional side ye Fist and Dance so that's why ngithi I'm happy for that interview ukuthi usisengiyobukelana manje kuya repeatwa but I'm happy ngine credit yenu lapha nami ngithashethe kwetinto ngizama ukuthi okay ngikhohlwe njani lokho angacabanga njani ngokhohlwa lo ikhohlwe ukuthi angicabanga njani so yeah
No, to be honest, my guy, can't take the credit for everything. Really.
Yeah.
You know, Velenje.
Yeah.
It's a two-man outfit.
ngishajwa into leyi-1 mina la kule industry ukuthi I'm a fan first before letinto ngiconsume esikolweni before
Yes.
ngiyoba singaqala nge-radio ngingumlaleli cala before ngiyosebenza e-radioweni then nalama artist ngiba i-fan first so lento ye-fan I'm a fan of that guy yeah inspired ngamnika ama-flowers akhe but nize ngithashele ukuthi iba i-challenge mangabe mhlambe uto wena wrong ukuthi ngisebenza nawe ngicolleague ngikukhule because angifuni ukubona uluza njengoba ngishilo ucaleni ukuthi sekuku even noma ngisebenza iba i-challenge lapho sokuthi kuba ne-clash ukuthi I'm a fan nalabantu engisebenza nabo but even na kulama podcast nani benda umsebenzi omuhle even noma mangiba interviewer lokuthi mhlambe babona se great lama interviewer great maybe mhlambe ifan yakho lebefisa kuhlangana nawe I'm a fan
Yeah, no.
Shout out to Zil.
So, shout out to Zil, like said.
uthasha kulenza ba music ngicela sibuyele kule part le se uvele bengikhala ngabo mama ngisho ukuthi ma artist mina akhule ama motivational speaker am because letinto le bakhuluma la kulo music so mawutswena Big Zil uchange noma ukhumbuta back kunama artist la culako la change impilo tebantu mfethu
Yes.
la change impilo tebantu ngimculo even nase radio but ngiva buhlungu ngama artist lawa maka exploit wana lo muntu uthi uchange impilo tebantu abaningi then bese kuyohlupheka yena
Damn.
uyayibona le fan part ukuthi bese ilimala ku so even nalama artist la ala khaya ya ngilo kusho lento le bayicula lapha kule music okay la babhetha kubabhetha vele but ngifuna kusho ukuthi letinto le bacula lapha mfo i-interview ya pressure
Yeah.
maybe you the only guys leni kule space sen leni ithanzile bantu abathanzile interview le ya bantu general but ngale tinto le kati ikhuluma lapha so ma artist ay change impilo tebantu so mina mak change ale yabo impilo ifume ibuye ibhedze nje ash ngiva buhlungu blind ukuthi bangala le stratini yeah
What makes you so passionate about Barberton?
no I'm not passionate about I'm Barberton but I don't know man like hey the question
Wait, there's a difference?
yeah I'm Barberton for
You are our tour.
okay ngidokutshela story i-PCR I think ngilokusho nanyana because I think ngiyayi under appreciate angisithandi story sami futhi ne-PCR ngiqale kusithanza last year indlela lengihambe ngayo lapha ayisi right from le journey kusukela to primary ukuthi ngifuna ke lapha ngitoje ngazama mfethu kuma radio station amaningi bese ngisaba nokukhuluma ukuthi ngiqhamuke eBarberton because mawukhuluma uthi uvela kuba ngibuta ukuthi why ngayi PCR so bengafisi mina nokusebenza la eMpumalanga but akusiki ukuthi mhlambe bangafuna just inspire ma radio station ngaphandle because bengibona ngathi aba push ma artist ala khaya and stuff yabo but lento le bengiyibona le beku inspiration lefuna ngithatha ukuthi lento le is something le missing la but bengakwadi so kufika lapha nje ngifike ngebutsotsi konke hayi ukuthi bende ebutsotsi lapha ngitsotsekile mina empilweni yami lapha kusengifika because ngilokwendela sibonelo lesihle I think mangabe akukho iPCR ngabe angiyathi experience yase tertiary mina but ingithole outside as a fan kwaphuma ukuthi okay iPCR bafuna abantwana laba tobafundisa bayobafundisa eRadweni ngaphikeka lapho kani ngilomsundi lokufuna ngise ngathi hayibo but mangifika lapha I think mangathi ehlisela ama percent 50% PCR na Prince into leyi1 na-Prince into leyi one lokuhlukile it's ngileti into leba because sinema-communities that are different lapha
Yes.
naleti into le angithi mina angidibhayindi kuko lokuthi okay lokunye njengelisiko angilazi isiko angikakhuliswa ngelisiko so angeke ngiye kuthatha ishow yelisiko ngila kufuna ngibe lisina khona ngilalele lapha mawungathi ngiquote verse leli one singacabana mina nawe uyabona ibhuku lingakanani lela but vele nje but ngilafuna ngihlale khona ngiyofunda ngilapho like the community la ngekho ku but the community yami lengasho ukuthi nginayo ngile creative space nale ma artists that's the community lebengithunyelwe kuyo mina right so lokunye kuyafana because the Barberton community ngalapha nam the other even naleti into le but serve nale into le representa into le one.
You know, a friend of mine said that there's a lot of love that Inside Mbombela is getting from Barberton,
Yeah.
and it's two people. That's crazy. It's just two people, and there's a lot of love in Jindin.
Yeah.
It has shout out to you specifically, and Sakil.
Yeah.
So you don't know what that episode. That's when you realize that you're not. This is not a hobby. This is a life choice from first time. You actually chose this battle to actually fight and make a difference because that episode was not supposed to happen.
You know nginika but ngifaka nongena lama podcast lalamanye ukuthi okay and behalf lalamanye ama podcast leti ngicale nawo before siyanibonga Sakhile wafika nayo ku episode bengenda ngeaudio wabuta ukuthi iyaphi lento yakho le manje bengenda ngeaudio shothi beyitala ku Inside Mbombela ukuthi nangu sinyalo siku visual
Yebo.
ngamtshela bekabuta lokho so you guys selling t-shirt nganikhomba lamanye ama podcast esitale nawo lane match ongane website bekusasekusha abaka support la khaya and angitsindela for support so I'm happy ukuthi niyakhona ukuthengisa lokhu kunema podcast la ithule ngabona 3 bathole ama sponsors so ngile success lengithi okay le vision mhlambe le bese ibona yes akasitholi editing but lokuthi nim interview ile namfaka ku video uvile ukuthi uthe une story kuphi kini wakumention bekuliphupho lesikhathi angimenshina kimi
Okay.
yeah kuda ngambuta ukuthi okay ubona ukuphi uyapi nani
Yeah.
washo ukuthi yo no wena ufuna chaya toro abe nema franchise abe nani yabona so that's why iphupho lakhe lifezekile nele amfezekile ngani because ngicine nimfaka ku visual so ngiyajabula.
Prince Veli, what does your future look like?
Eish. I know angisasabi mfethu cha ngibuya na lamanye ama challenge njengoba bengisho I didn't know with this thing it was a calling le ngasi ngikuchoose ku career path ngakutshela ukuthi akukabi successful or kube successful mase ngicethiwe le ngithumela wona okay angikusho clear I'm not leaving the station lele ngikuso nyalo ngizochubeka naso but lebe ngithunyelwe kona lapha ngikucethile so now ngicala i-January angeke ngithi is the future I think I'm living in the future ngithunyelwe tu ke radio nyalo the mistake lengiyibone lesiyendile it's shaye okay kube ne-era e-radio yokucala lesikhathi kufika ama-influencers uyakhumbula so bathatha ama-influencers bawayise e-radio kwabanye isikhathi kula ama-brands so lokho kulungisekile ngoba mhlambe akuzange kusebenza then radio is back but some of other radio station nale ngibukele kuwo I can mention Rise FM nyalo because domphathi ukukhulumile ukuthi Rise FM bekayibona ukuthi i sleeping giant I'm happy ukufixile lokho sibonile na nge line up le new ngilabanye bethu labathunyele back ukuthi uvuza radio la sikhona right now ngilobikisa ngale ngasekhaya sipusha more content digital but angi own lama social media platform dokwendela sibonelo ngena ngo7 mina ngo7 ngaba live Facebook ube live Facebook angi own the platform leyo but nginento ngeke ukhona kuba live kuyo ngo7 ifrequency that frequency is I own so bantu lesibaduza ngilaba la the frequency nyalo we gaining these people back social media there's nothing wrong about that subscribe to this channel we need you because you don't have a frequency there's nothing wrong about that but isikhuluma nemlaleli thina that's the person that sikhulume naye So ngiyacabanga niyibonile i-decline kuma-radio stations kakhulu yake ya-decline ama-radio from ku-24 hours ehla lamanye ama-radio bese kufuna athengiswe yes ngenhlanhla lokunye aseyivekile akathengiswa ama-radio yeah lokunye man ma-radio aluze ama-numbers chief angeke ngisabe kukhuluma lokho because kubuhlungu but the mistake lengiyibonako mina lengisithi lefuna ifixwe or especially on my side it's the content yeah lucky enough I'm not part of labantu labenda lokho ukuthi ma sengi-invite because nayi ngiphuza lesi ndawo invite there's nothing wrong about invite i-content creator but angeke si-interview ama-artist onke labalaleli and mina mangu-interviewa ngu-interviewa because based on your numbers kuthi ngilogainani mina yes noma ngilogaina but ngiyogaina ama-followers not ma-listeners because when your content is digital
Yes.
but naba labantu la and especially on our side senga-partnership nema-sponsors even nema-partners or ma-brands digital sokuthi so ngasho ukuthi sengathengisa digital so sa-relya ku-radio but we losing that.
Yeah, we are living in an age where we are witnessing in real time
Yeah.
the death of radio.
Mm.
But I'm happy ukuthi vele measures have been taken on first standard just to ibe audio visual.
Yeah.
I won't call it a podcast. Is it really a podcast when they are broadcasting normally, but now they have a camera angle? Does that qualify as a podcast?
No, a podcast is something that you have to record.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can after we take that live video and put and upload it. We can call it a podcast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then, I don't know, Mr. Vili, do you think we left anything out, my guy?
No, really, I can talk for no, so I sana 4 hours left na ngiyosakata. And it's okay because ben worried about say maybe other station. Monday ngizobe ngicala inye slot yoba during the week from 10 to 1 so it was Monday to Thursday. Yeah, ngileke announce Friday still 7 to 10. Yeah, but there's gonna be changes Friday and Saturday 6 to 10 still ngizobe ngilapha. I think this Sunday maybe it will be my last show. Yeah, on Sunday. But yeah, I'm having a new time slot. Yeah.
All right.
Guys, let's subscribe to Inside Mbombela. Let's support Inside Mbombela. The reason why initial so it's not easy the content they send out because bantu bafuna a controversial stuff.
Yeah.
But ukuthi siphakamise bantu base balakulenza wethu, there's nothing wrong about that. And good less to lose.
None.
Good less to lose. But we gonna gain. Success you have Inside Mbombela ni sayipeshe nyalo nge-t-shirt.
Yeah, it's in Thailand, in Phuket.
Yeah, bon. So yeah, and which also uthe uyamangala ukuthi some of bantu ngibakhombile bala Mpumalanga nange success yakho. So ngilento ngisho nga inspire mina ngilabantu lele bahlala lapha. They have the same talent lele likhona la TV. Net ngoba kude the TV.
Yeah.
But yes ngcono iPrinceville Media ne-Inside Mbombela sesinayo nya. Yabo. So singabonga lama platform. So nalabantu balakha abaningi abantu balakhaya mfethu laba ngaphandle. Nedi ngicabanga kusabathini ukuze madoda biyani man sinibungade ekhaya. Futhi singasho ukuthi okay wena usebenza le-America le English yakho ishiye lapha. Buyishele la kahle usinike nalama tips ufike njani e-America. Yayibona. So yeah, shout out baningi nabantu ngijabulisile leni babungade la. I'm still gonna watch. Bengime for isikhathi lesincane kusingangidisturb Inside Mbombela. Yeah, for the interview. But yeah, I'm going back. After this. Yeah.
No, that's fine, my guy.
Yeah.
And thanks for the love and the support, Village. It's nice to know that we've got a big brother in the game, you know, looking out and Village, you do guide us as well. And some people maybe you should have tried this or maybe try this next time. One first time, just in because you're objective. You are from looking at it from the outside in.
The challenge is bugana now E1. Lento bona ma podcast afa especially. Nangala. It's everyone wants to take the shine.
Sure.
awukahlukumezeki indzawo mfethu, even nasikhathi ngicela for i-interview angathi ngicela Leo Grant for i-interview mina ngacela for i-interview Mbombela wathi kubuyele out. Awuthathi ishine yayo la uyendela konke, so siyabonga for naloko kuze wey ungaze ufune ukuthatha ishine ya Leo Grant, sitawuhamba like inside Mbombela umuntu kanjani. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you. That's
Wow. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, we have the honor and the privilege to sit down with a titan in training. Dude is not aware that Nje he's about to blow up. Guti Velenje, we all feeding off him, we're learning off him, we're going through him, and I hope Velenje he goes from strength to strength, Velenje, so that other people can go through him. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Loving the comments. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Still your host, Leo Gant. Out.